What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video of RCX Kicks. Before we do anything, please make sure you stop, like, and subscribe, and check out any video you missed before you came here. Diving into this video, this is going to be about this pick up here. If you're reading the description, you probably already know what this is, but we want to hop into it. Start the unboxing. Shoes out the box. We got one right here and then the others over there. We're gonna get back into these later. So looking at the box, we have our traditional Air Jordan 1 box. This is the box that most Jordan 1s come in. We have the red Nikes written on the front, and we have the red Nike check, and that's actually on all of the sides of this shoe. Now looking at this shoe specifically, we have a 9.5 at 170, a retail of 170. This pair reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black pine green, white gem red. Okay, so looking at this shoe here, I see right off the bat, and I guess you can see it too, that we have an extra pair of red laces. Now they put those on there because of this red Nike Air. I think if it was like a green Nike Air, it probably would have been an extra pair of green laces. I honestly think they should have put some green laces in. I think it would have looked great with some green laces, but I'm going to just keep the black ones in. I feel like the red ones do way too much to the shoe because it's not that much red in the shoe, so what would be the point of putting in red laces? But other than that, it wouldn't look bad. I don't think it would look bad. So looking at this shoe, we have our regular black leather all around. It's actually pretty soft leather. So on the heel, we have our pine green. It's actually really hard. You see it doesn't do anything. And on our toe, we have our pine green on the toe. We have our black on the toe box. And we have our white midsole. On the bottom here, we have our Nike Air. Oh, actually, it does not say Nike Air. It's just a Nike with the Nike check. Then we have our green Nike check all around the shoe. Now, something that sticks out to me a lot is this right here. This is actually like, it's not how it usually is on Air Jordan 1s. It's actually more like a patch right here. So usually on Air Jordan 1s, this part here, this little engraving part here, is usually engraved onto the shoe. And this shoe specifically, it's more like a patch. You can see that it kind of sticks out, which I kind of don't like. I kind of wish they would have kept it how they had it on all Jordan 1s specifically. But I don't think it really messes up the shoe in a way. And then lastly, we have our shoe tree. And then we have our black sock lining. So getting into more about the shoe, I actually knew that this shoe was going to sell out, which it did. So on sneakers, only the sizes that were like big or like 13, 14, anything up like that, all of those were still there, but all the sizes that were like 10 and down, all of those were gone. So I actually picked up this 9.5 off of sneakers. Usually with first come first serve, I usually don't have trouble with those releases, but anything like a raffle, I legit do not win raffles. Like the only raffle I won was the 2019 Bread 11. I was actually surprised I won that. That day I actually won those at finish line, and while I was in line, I got on sneakers and did it, and I actually won some on sneakers too. So I had 2 pair, and I sold them. The thing I can say is bad about this shoe is the resale value. The resale value of this shoe is not high right now. The highest I've seen is like 200, but that's not really anything for real. So if you're trying to look to resell these, if you were trying to look to resell these, you're probably not gonna make much. But I don't know if you should hold them and see if it can increase. I'm planning on just keeping mine, so I wasn't really too big on reselling them anyway because I knew the value wouldn't be high. That being said, guys, we're going to finish off this video with an Onfoot. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, in the comments down below, I want to know if you guys hit on sneakers or in store. Let me know if you call it L or a W.